Okay, so let's make a full breakdown of the situation that we currently have on GBP CAD, starting from the monthly time frame. Now, on the monthly, clearly we have a market that has created this very nice inverted head and shoulders. Now, after an inverted head and shoulders, what do you expect? You expect the market to give you a move to the upside. Specifically, we would like to see the market finally manage to break above all the resistance that we have at this level from a monthly perspective. In fact, this zone has held the market multiple times, starting from here, then again here, and again at this level. And we would like to see the market finally manage to break above this level, specifically because the market has created this huge rejection with this candle of the right shoulder area, which is obviously a strong support area considering the fact that here the market has started to move to the upside, broke down, broke back above, went back for the retest of this level, and we definitely expect some continuation to the upside. Going down on the weekly, what can we see? On the weekly time frame, we can see that definitely the market going to test this zone was definitely something that we expected from the first place. What did we expect this move? Because after this candle to the upside, the market had clearly broken above this structure. Specifically, if you want a quick trick, what you can do is go down to a line chart, and what we can see is that here the market had precisely previous resistance now turned support from a weekly perspective, and that is exactly the level that the market went to test. Always remember that the line chart will give you the closes, and specifically when we are speaking about monthly, weekly, and daily closes, those are quite strong structure areas in the market. And in fact, the market broke it to the upside, went for a retest, and started this big push to the upside. And currently, the market has already tested that zone and rejected it to the downside. Going down on the daily, what we can see now on the daily time frame situation is very simple. We have a market that had created this overextended W formation. And if you remember from this area, what did we want to see? We wanted to see the market give us a retracement. Specifically, after an overextended W formation, you want to see a retracement at least to the 0.382 of the Fibonacci taken on the impulse. So you want to see the market at least reach this area. And in fact, that is exactly what GBP CAD has done. GBP CAD just made a retracement past the 0.32, so hitting the first downside target of an overextended W formation, exactly as we wanted the market to do. And after this, what can we expect? We can expect possibly continuation to the upside to finally break the structure that we have from a weekly perspective and complete this impulse correction and impulse pattern to the upside that we currently have from a daily point of view. Now, before I show you how we'll be approaching this kind of situation with students, let's first go and give a quick check at what we have from a GBP and a CAD perspective. Now, starting from the GBP, what we can see? We can see that on the pound lately, with the last report, institutions have closed a lot of longs, specifically they closed 6.9K longs and started to add quite a lot of shorts, adding 3.4K shorts, with net positions reaching minus 25K. So shorts definitely are increasing and longs not increasing that much. So overall, it's pretty clear that this retracement was very much expected, exactly as we had said in our previous analysis on this pair. And then the market has gave us this retracement. What can we expect? We can expect that inside of this retracement, institutions will start buying again. But until we will have the new report, we can't confirm that. But what we can see is what kind of price action the market will create during this retracement and how we can monitor price action. Now, as usual, monthly, weekly, and daily timeframes are the best timeframes when it comes to the direction of the market. But the best time frame for entry is the 4 hours. So what we will be doing with students on the 4-hour time frame, we will be waiting for a clear shift from a bearish market as it is right now back to a bullish market from a 4-hour perspective. And only if the market will actually manage to shift inside of the zone from a bearish to a bullish market, then at that point we will add GBP CAD on watch list, and we will be waiting for the market to provide to us one of our valid entries. And with students, if the market will provide to us one of our valid entries, we will be taking a nice long with a very good risk to reward and very good probabilities for the move to the upside and completion of this impulse correction, impulse pattern to the upside. Now, if you enjoyed this free analysis and education, make sure you drop a like and a comment. It really does support the creation of more free education and analysis for all of you. And I will see you in the next video.